It's Charlotte's Web.
Now, isn't that just the word for Wilbur? You folks want to see something?
It's Zuckerman's famous pig. Look what it says in the web. Oh, I do it wrong.
A miracle!
Uncle Homer! Uncle Homer! Uncle Homer! Avery.
What's the matter with you, boy?
This pig has won first prize already. Oh, no!
It's all over!
How this could have happened?
Mr. Homer Zuckerman?
That's me.
I've been instructed to escort you and your famous pig to the grandstand.
What for?
I don't know, but we'd better get going.
Oh, my goodness. Go up in front of all those people? Oh, does my hair look all right, Homer?
It looks fine, Edith.
You didn't even look at my hair.
You're all right, Edith. Just keep calm.
Aren't you going to crate the pig, Homer?
No, let him walk so everybody can see him.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now present Mr. Homer L. Zuckerman and his distinguished pig. The fame of this unique animal has spread to the far corners of the earth, attracting many valuable tourists to our great state. You will all recall that day last summer when the writing appeared mysteriously on the spider's web in Mr. Zuckerman's barn. This miracle has never been explained. All we know is that we are dealing with supernatural forces here, and we should all be proud and grateful. In the words of the spider's web, this is some pig.
He's some pig. Some pig. Some terrific, radiant, humble pig.
He is some pig.
Oh, wow, look at him now, Zuckerman's famous pig. Zooey, what do you see? The greatest hog in history. Fine swine, wish he was mine. What if he's not so big? He's some terrific, radiant, humble thingamajig of a fine phenomena. My land, isn't he grand? Zuckerman's famous pig. Golly, you gotta agree, he's a real celebrity. Fine swine, wish he was mine. What if he's not so big? He's some terrific, radiant, humble thingamajig of a pig. The terrific, radiant, humble
Zuckerman.
Zuckerman. Zuckerman. Zuckerman. Zuckerman's famous pig.
On behalf of the governors of the fair, I have the honor of awarding a special prize of $25 to Mr. Zuckerman. And this handsome bronze medal, suitably engraved, to this radiant, this terrific, this humble pig.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. He's some pig. And if I have anything to do with it, he's gonna live to a ripe old age.